Hi, and welcome to the tutorial video of the NutKase rugged case for iPads. Installation is fast and easy. Begin by inserting the corners of the iPad into 4 corners of the polycarbonate shell. Place the screen protector on top of the screen and, starting with the top right corner, firmly press down with your fingers to snap the screen protector in place. Work your fingers all the way around until it's fully enclosed. The textured edges make the case very easy to grip and hold. There is a dual layer of protection made from rigid polycarbonate plastic and shock-absorbing TPU. Precision-cut access points and durable button covers allows full access to all ports and buttons. The clear back is designed for easy viewing of asset tags and barcodes. Lay the iPad face down and gently lift the kickstand up and lock it into position. Stand it up and it's ready to use in viewing mode. Turn it on its side and you are now in typing mode. The kickstand is extremely durable and can withstand severe impact and pressure without getting damaged. Here is an example of just how much intensity the kickstand can handle. If the kickstand pops out, it can easily be fixed by reinserting the stand into the slider. All you need to do is apply pressure and twist one end of the plastic kickstand back into the slider, then do the same on the other side. The rugged case has been rigorously tested and complies with military drop test standards. Its construction of shock-absorbing honeycomb TPU corners will protect your iPad if dropped. And don't forget, all our cases always come with free custom logo embossing, a 10-year warranty, and free shipping.